Hey y'all, so I know I promised this in another video, but I'm going to show you today how to use these ball joint separators. It looks a little intimidating. It's actually not that bad. You can see I have just a regular size hammer and the ball joint separator, which looks like a giant tuning fork or whatever. So I already went ahead and got the bolt off of the tie rod end. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in there, and you can follow along as I beat the hell out of it. And so what I'm doing here is I'm just going to put the fork right over the ball joint, the little rubber boot. I'm just going to knock it as hard as I can. That's all there really is to it. Done. So just so you can see how it's done, I have it in there. The flat end is on the top of the spindle. The curved end is on the boot of the ball joint, and I just whacked it in there really good. So I'll show you the rest of it. Just gotta hit it hard, and once it sits, then you can just pound at it really hard. Just take some force, that's all. There you have it. If you just hit it as hard as you can, it'll eventually just pop. Okay, so for this portion, I'm going to show you how to use the spring compressor. As you can see, this is what I got from AutoZone. This is the top, and this is the bottom. And I kind of put it together just roughly so you can see it. That's the end you tighten on. So I'm going to show you how I put it up in the control arm and compress the spring. So let me show you how to do that. Alright, I'm going to try to get up on the highest one. There we go. Bringing the threaded rod back up. Actually, this might be a good time to set this guy in here. Alright, so you kind of get the idea. I'm not going to record the whole thing because it'll take a while, but I'll try to show you the result when I'm done. Alright folks, so spring is out. Compressor worked pretty well. All I did was just kind of kick the lower control arm a little bit just to let it kind of drop out. So it did, and now I'll take the compressor off.